What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. I got some goodies here that we're gonna put on the Trackhawk. It's been a month that I've been waiting for this one piece right here from Legmaker Industries, and as you see here, we're gonna install right here. So stay tuned. I'm gonna walk you guys through the process of this. Alright guys, so this is the Legmaker intake kit. It comes with obviously the big main piece. This is why they take a long time to make the product when you order it, because I believe his name is Chris. He hand makes every Legmaker intake by hand. So it actually took me a month. I actually got the Trackhawk on the 25th of March, and today's April 25th, a month from now. It's been a month, so I'm excited, really excited to see how it sounds, how it performs. Got the filter right here. So it comes with this rain shield, which more than likely I'm not going to use, but it comes with all the hardware required. And they also got a Mighty Mouse oil catch can. It's pretty awesome because it comes with the exact fittings that go with that go in the vehicle. I'm not sure if it goes bolted on here or here, but I'll check out the instructions on that. I'm gonna start off by first taking off the stock air box. Obviously we have two sensors here. I believe one's the mass airflow sensor, and then the other one is the inlet temperature tube. I'm not sure which one is which. I believe this is the MAF, but it's pretty simple. We got some 10mm. These are 8mm, and it's pretty simple. It should come off pretty simple. So as you saw, the hardest thing of this install was really the putting on the filter on the, I guess, on the carbon fiber inlet tube. It was a pain in the ass. I had to do it like 3 or 4 times when I finally got it, because you have to be careful with these tolerances here so it doesn't hit anywhere down here. And it also comes, like I said, with this rain guard, this leg maker rain guard, which is supposed to go like so, but I'm not gonna put it on there. I live over here in El Paso, Texas, the desert, hardly rains. Plus, I mean, I think it takes away from the aesthetics of it. So I'm gonna finish putting on the MAP sensor, connecting the inlet temperature tube, and we'll start her up, see how she sounds.